Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. Today is last day of January, so it's times for One Sketch Challenge 23 hosted by Lisa. I'm going to include all the information below the video and list of people who are taking part in this collaboration. It's an open collaboration, so anyone can join as long as you add the hashtag so we can see what you've created. And I will include the photo of the sketch just here on the screen somewhere so you can check it out and see if you want to join us with this fun challenge. I'm really happy that actually I'm going to do this one, and I picked some elements already. As you can see, I've got some bits and pieces ready on the side. I've got this beautiful poppy girl. It's actually free download if you want to have it as well. It's by Relatively Thoughtful, and I think there are 3 sheets to pick from. Actually, you download all 3 of them, and there are different images. And yes, and I think this one as well. I'm not sure. I had quite a lot of papers from Relatively Thoughtful, but I will try to find the link for you so you can check it out and see if you like it and download it if you want to. So what else I've got those sentiments, and this one comes from this texture sentiments for all paper pack, and there are the 2 different types, and I'm thinking to use Keep Smiling or I don't know. I like the Keep Smiling one, so I think I'm going to use that one as well. So let me put this card together. So if you had a look at the sketch, it shows you that in the card should be a square. So I've got 5 3/4 of an inch square, 5 3/4 of an inch square with the top fold, and my layer measures yeah, it's not correct. I can see that it's not correct. It's just kind of off. So let me bring my guillotine, and yes, this is my new guillotine. If you've seen my video from few days ago, I showed you that I received some new tools from let me just put this one correctly, from Craft Stash, because I'm on a design team for textures, so they wanted us to have those tools. And actually today is my second video. In the morning I shared a video for Craft Stash YouTube Hub, and you can actually win I think all 12 of those new tools from Craft Stash. So if you haven't seen my video from this morning, I might add it at the end of this one so you can check it out. And yes, the deadline for the competition is the 4th of February as far as I remember. Yes, definitely 4th of February, which is Sunday. And under that video from that YouTube Hub, you will see the link in a description box so you can check it out as well and follow the link and see what you have to do. There are, I think, 6 of us, 6 DT members and designers taking part in that collaboration. You see, I still have to cut some. You see, I thought I prepared myself properly, but clearly not. It's just few millimeters off, but I want this card to be really nicely done, of course. And I have to tell you that I just love this small guillotine. This one is 8.5 inch, brand new, and I think it's so handy. I've been using it since I received it, so yeah. And there is this one feature which sold it to me, is the one which is just here. There's this little thingy which goes in here, and this way it secures that handle, so it doesn't fly about, and it's very safe to use, especially for me, because if you've seen me using my 12-inch guillotine by Crafter's Companion, actually that arm is just flying about, and once I actually hit my hand and I had a slight cut on my finger, so yeah. it happens sometimes, but with this one there is no issue at all. And I hope they're going to do the 12-inch one as well. So as you can see, I was trying to match, I was trying to look for that blue color from that girl's dress, but I couldn't find anything which would match. So I decided to go for that green and red as well. So what I going to do, as you can see, I'm putting one strip on the top, one on the bottom, and then am I going to measure everything? No, I will just go for it. So I'm going to position them, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to lift one off and then adhere it with the liquid glue. So if you want to check who is in this collaboration, I will put the list of ladies below this video, so you can hop from one to another and see who is in the collaboration and what they created as well. If you don't want to do that, you can click on that hashtag and check it this way as well. If you haven't got a YouTube channel, you can share your creations on social media. I think Instagram is the best way to share it. Personally, you can see those hashtags better. I think at least I see them better. And now this paper is double-sided, and so I was thinking and wanted to see which side I prefer with this image. I was thinking about this one, but let me turn it over to see which one it will be actually better. No, I think it's just too much. It could be okay, but I'm going to be adventurous today, and I will go for that more patenty, if it's a correct word actually. Yeah, it's been a long day today. I'm actually recording just a few hours before, because I actually did record that YouTube hop video the other day, and it was so much work that I am trying to do this one just a few hours before. Hopefully next month I will time it a little bit better. So anyway, let me know how did you spend your weekend? What did you do last weekend? Did you craft? Have you made anything nice? Are you thinking about joining this collaboration as well, joining this challenge? Because if you remember, myself, Monika, Katarina, Christine and Jenny, we going back with our Fancy Fold Craft Challenge on the 5th of February. So we're going to have more inspirations, and yeah, it's going to be fun. I think I need to get up and see properly if it's nice and straight. I think it is. So now I think she's going to be, this side is going to be flat on that panel, and this side I will add some foam pads. And let me just see this sentiment, which am I going to use. I think I will go for this one, Keep Smiling, because then I can give it to anyone. Ooh, am I going to cut it straight or not? So yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah. Okay, so I will of course include all the informations below the video. I'm going to tag Lisa and the ladies who are taking part in this collaboration, so you can check them out. I'm going to include the link to that design paper and those images. Let me see, where do I want to put my Keep Smiling? I like it on this side, and then I can put some gems on the other side. So if you wonder about certain products, I'm going to include them below the video. If you've got any questions whatsoever, just Don't be shy, ask away. I will try to reply. Sometimes it takes me a while to answer all the questions, but or reply to the comments, but eventually I do. If I miss some comments, just send it again and then I will definitely reply. So yes, I think I should have played the music so I don't have to think what else to say. Apologies, today is not my best day. It's been busy at work and just want to have a cup of coffee and relax. So I think that's nice. Let me know, what do you think about this one? Do you like it? Actually, this week I'm going to upload maybe 2 more videos. Definitely on Friday I'm going to have another video. Because there is another launch of new collection by Textures, and it's a really nice one. I can give you a little sneak peek. No, I can't because I sent everything away, but it's all about spring. It's all about spring, and yes, I just love that collection. I recorded a video with all the projects I've done for that collection, and I've posted all the samples to Lou already, so I can't even show you anything. But if you come back to my channel on Friday, I think afternoon, then you will be able to see the full collection and what I've created with that new release. So I like it. Let me see through the camera. Yeah, I love that red and green, and I think it's really nice. So let me see. Do I want to add some gems? I just want to add something here. So as you can see, I've added a few gems, 2 gems in the corner, and these are those crystal droplets by Crafter's Companion. They are from Mermaid collection, I think. And I think this card looks really pretty and I really like it. So I'm really curious and I want to hear from you. Let me know, what do you think about this card? Do you like it? What do you think about the images? I will try to include all the links below the video so you can check it out. And also, if you want to have a look and check out the competition I was talking about at the beginning of this video about the winning Craft Stash new released tools, then check out the video from this morning. I will link them. I think I will link that video at the end of this video so you can check it out. And I hope you will come back on Friday to see brand new collection by Textures as well, and what I've created with that collection. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video very soon.